Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and run CBench on your computer. Um, we first need to download the system, but if you downloaded it before, please download it again because I made some updates. I found some errors, so I fixed them. So please download it from here as a folder. Okay, I already. Okay, I wait. Now we download the folder. You can extract it here. Extract here, and here where is the data and source code is exist. So first of all, you need to extract also the folders of the data. I added lsquad2 if you are interested. So here's the folder for dbpedia and freebase benchmarks, and here's lsquad2. For the source code, I will run the system on NetBeans, which support Maven. So I need to make the folder follow the structure of Maven. So here inside the source folder, you have to create another folder called main, and inside this folder, create another folder called Java, and move the source code, except the main cut, and inside the Java folder you can paste your code. And now the source folder follow the Maven structure, which is source main Java, and inside Java the packages that include the classes of the project. Now we need to run the system, so go to NetBeans and make sure that NetBeans is support Maven, and from here create a new project, and from the left hand side choose Maven, and from the right hand side a project from with existing BOM file, and BOM file is the one used to declare the libraries and in the project instead of downloading these libraries. And then next and finish, and from here you can select where the folder is, and this is the folder I just extracted. This is the folder here. He read this folder as a Maven project because it follows the same structure of Maven. So here's the folder, and open it, and the system will open it for you. So here is the source code, and here's dependencies, and the system will download the dependencies for you. All libraries will be downloaded by Maven automatically because we already declared them in the BOM file here, so you don't have to download the libraries yourself. Now if you'd like to run the system, you have to go to the main class package, and you will find that we have a class called CBench, which has the main method we would like to run. So right click here and run file, and okay, let's move to, okay, here's the run. Let's just move this window to the end. I can't. Okay. Okay, I just would like to move the out at the end of, and here is the class we just run, and here is the system. The system is running. So first of all, you need to configure the system. Would you like to evaluate a Q system or just analyze a benchmark? Let's try to analyze a benchmark. So the system will ask you about the benchmarks supported by CBench. For now, we talked about these benchmarks in the paper. If you're interested, I just added the lsquad2, and I'm working on some new benchmarks, so you will find these new names, but these names are not published now, so just ignore them. And here you can just insert the number of the benchmark. For example, if you'd like to analyze cal9, just enter 9, which is this number, and then enter, and the system will read the questions for you. This question number 1, and from called, here is a file, and here's the question who discovered Pluto, and here's the answer of this question. So the system read all the questions from the file, and the system will also remove duplicates. So if any question mentions multiple times, it will be removed. Remain meaning there is no duplicates. If there is duplicates, you will find him removed and only keep one version of the question. And here is the analysis result. The keywords analysis select mentioned 356 times, which represent 90% in the question of the benchmark, and so on. Here is the number of travel patterns starting from 0 to 11 or more. And 0 is mentioned 0 times, 1 is 53 um, percent, and number of trebles too mentioned 30%, and so on. Here's the operator distribution. Here is the operator, the number of questions, and the relative number of or the percentage of the questions. Here's a shape analysis. All of these analyses are illustrated in our paper of CBench. Here is the question type analysis, and so on. So this is just for the benchmark analysis. If you'd like to run a system, QA system, you can rerun the system again, and it shows this time one. The system will ask you if you'd like to run your system via HTTP requests, which means the QA system must be run as a server and accept requests and respond to these requests. And I illustrate how to connect via HTTP in the documentation of CBench in GitHub, so you can read it. Or asynchronously, which mean you can um, take a file and update the answers. I also uploaded a video which illustrates how to use this one, which means you can take a file, update the answers of the question in the benchmark, and then return the answers to CBench, and CBench will calculate the score for you. Okay, so for example, if I select to it will ask you some questions. As I said, this already uploaded as a different um, video. Hopefully, the video is will help you to download the CBench and you can run it. If you have any problem, please send me an email or just write a comment on YouTube under this video. Thank you.